Africa is rising faster than Asia. You heard that right, faster than Asia. By 2050, 1 in 4 people on Earth will be African. But here's the question. Which countries are the smartest bets for investors right now? Stay with me, because the answers may surprise you. I'm not here to sell hype. I'm here to show you where the real opportunities are, backed by data, not dreams. Today, we'll explore the top African countries with high investment potential in 2025. You'll see energy, agriculture, infrastructure, even fintech unfold before your eyes. And by the end, you might rethink where the next billion-dollar frontier really is. Senegal is booming. The IMF expects nearly 9% growth in 2025. Why? Massive offshore gas projects. Dakar, the capital, is becoming a trade and finance hub. Investors are eyeing energy, agriculture, and infrastructure. Uganda is on the rise. Oil pipelines, hydropower dams, and rail projects are transforming the landscape. But it's not just energy. Uganda's fertile land makes it one of Africa's breadbaskets. Coffee, tea, and maize exports are growing fast. Investors are watching logistics, transport, and value-added farming. Did you know Uganda's Lake Victoria is the largest tropical lake in the world, holding more fish than the North Sea? Despite challenges, Ethiopia remains a giant in waiting. With over 120 million people, it's Africa's second most populated nation. Industrial parks, hydro dams, and digital payments are shaping its future. The government is opening sectors once closed to investors. The stakes? If stability holds, Ethiopia could be the manufacturing hub of Africa. Tiny country, big ambition. Rwanda is often called the Singapore of Africa. Investors love its clean governance, digital push, and booming tourism. Fintech startups are scaling here faster than almost anywhere else. But there's a twist. Its domestic market is small, so regional integration is key. Would you rather invest in a small but stable country or a giant with higher risks? Morocco and Egypt are North Africa's powerhouses. Morocco is betting big on renewable energy. The Noor solar complex is one of the largest on Earth. Egypt remains Africa's most attractive FDI magnet. Why? Its location, connecting Africa, Europe, and Asia. Investors see opportunities in logistics, energy, and consumer markets. Fun fact, Egypt's Suez Canal generates over $9 billion a year in transit fees alone. That's more than the GDP of some entire African nations. So what's the big picture? Africa's best bets balance 3 things: resources, reform, and risk management. Senegal offers resources. Rwanda shows reforms. Ethiopia offers scale. Investors who diversify across multiple African markets will capture the upside while hedging the volatility. If you're enjoying this deep dive, hit subscribe. We explore global money flows, hidden markets, and investment frontiers every week. Now let's finish strong with the big lesson. The world often overlooks Africa, but the continent is writing its own growth story. The question isn't whether Africa will rise, it's which countries will lead the way and who will invest early enough to benefit. So what do you think? Would you bet on Senegal's energy boom, Rwanda's fintech, or Ethiopia's scale? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to know which global megatrends will reshape investing in 2025, click the video on your screen. This was Top African Countries with High Investment Potential in 2025. The next frontier of wealth is already in motion. I'll see you in the next video.